Now, there's a lightning storm. I think I just saw right over there. Before I just start this, I think I'm still seeing smoke coming up. I don't know what happened, but yeah. But it's pretty intense. Wow. There was just a lightning strike above me. So that was pretty wicked. I was waiting for a lightning strike. I was thinking about taking pictures. Whoa! So that was amazing. I was thinking about taking pictures of it, but it didn't really work out because I'm getting distracted whenever the lightning's coming where I can be able to see it. Is that, holy crap, look at that wall cloud. Look how huge that is. It's probably going on for a mile or two. Whoa. Holy crap. Look at that. That's a huge wall cloud. When I was at church today, a friend said that there was tornado watches. And guess so. Earlier, before I even started, before I even started YouTube, last storm there was in Omaha, where I live, Nebraska, La Vista. Well, there was a rotation in the clouds with the thunderstorm. Holy crap! Look at that! Look at that! This is amazing. Oh, now that is a wall cloud. I'm gonna get my umbrella. Whoa! I'm gonna get my umbrella. So just hang on for a second. I don't want my phone getting wet. There's a huge wall cloud. So I'm trying to this is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. See, my umbrella just got blown by the wind. That foliage, so it took a little bit extra. Now it's starting to rain a little bit. Sorry guys. It's starting to rain. Look at this. Amazing. I'm sitting down. But this is just amazing. Whoa. Glad I got my umbrella, but look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. Look at all this. As you can hear, it's starting to rain a little bit. Wow. Just amazing. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to go. My phone's about to die. Bye.